Are you anticipating a third wave and for us to go backward at any point in the near future?
That is a distinct possibility.
That warning from Canada's Chief Public Health Officer during an interview with Melanie Ng on Breakfast Television. Dr. Theresa Tam saying Thursday, with the spread of more contagious coronavirus variants here in Canada, now is not the time to let down our guard. With the vast majority of Canadians not immune to COVID-19 and waiting for the country's vaccination rollout to pick up, Dr. Tam says steps proven to slow the spread of the virus are still needed. This as more regions are easing restrictions.
If you don't have these measures in place and you don't have good testing, tracing, and isolation, if the variant comes in, it's going to take off.
Already, Dr. Tam says the variant first detected in the UK is quite widespread in Canada, detected in 10 provinces. Also Thursday, an update on the key tool in the fight against the pandemic.
We're now coming out of this period of limited supplies into an abundance of supplies.
Major General Danny Fortin unveiling a new timeline for vaccine supplies in Canada after weeks of delays.
This week, we received 403,650 doses of Pfizer-BioNTech, and the arrival in Canada was slightly delayed due to weather on the East Coast. All doses are now in country, and distribution to the provinces is now underway and will be completed by the end of this week. Next week, we are expecting to receive 475,000 doses. We anticipate receiving 444,000 doses each week in March.
And when Moderna's deliveries are factored in, Canada is now due to receive around 29 million doses by June, 5.1 million more than first projected. And if more vaccine candidates are approved, the latest government forecast shows up to 64% of Canada's population could be inoculated by the end of the second quarter. The significant scaling up, as Forte calls it, would be a boost to Canada's poor global ranking. According to Oxford's Our World in Data, Canada currently sits 51st in per capita vaccinations. Now looking ahead, Dr. Theresa Tam telling Breakfast Television she will be releasing new modeling for the coronavirus in Canada that factors in the more contagious variants. The new forecasts are coming Friday morning. Melissa Duggan, City News.